There you are. Hi, I'm Andrena, and I'm the author of the book Embody, The Power of Presence in an Age of Distraction. And welcome to my live Advent calendar. This is day 12, and I'm going to be giving you a secret that I say simpler is easier. It might sound very simple, but it's one of these things you can do in your sleep that's going to give you focus and energy out throughout the day, and also it really helps hydrate the body, which helps in ways that you can't even imagine. And that is, hang on, lemon water. Now, what is lemon water? This is what I take to bed every night. It's almost a liter of water. And I squeeze about a half of a lemon into it. And so the reason I put this on my bedstand is because I'm going to be drinking that all night. I don't drink enough water during the day, but I make sure that I have a good liter of water in me in the evening. Now, why? Because one of the first things people say is, well, that makes you pee all night. Yes, it does. But what it does is it helps the body use its circadian rhythms, which are the 3 rhythms that are in the body that it has to do every day. And that's the intake of the food, the digestion of the food, right? That's during the day. And then there's the excretion of the food early in the morning. And by drinking the lemon water at night, it means that when your liver wakes up around 4 o'clock in the morning and it starts doing the kind of, cleaning house that it has to do, and believe me, our livers are far overburdened because we live in a very, very polluted world. Never mind our lifestyles and the food that we eat and the drinks that we have and not enough sleep and the too much stress. So it's even more important to be able to give the body what it needs so that it can help you the best that it can. And my lemon water ritual is just one of those things that I do regularly. And the interesting thing is that it actually, the more water you drink, the more you want to have. Now, why do I add lemon? I love these things so much that I actually even travel with them. And it's because lemon makes the water alkaline. We live acidic lives. Stress causes it turns your body acidic. The coffee that we drink, our adrenals are out of whack because of all the stress that we have, because we're constantly on the go. And when you drink lemon water, what it does is 2 things. It makes the water alkaline the body, and it also helps your body absorb much more the water into the system. So this is something that I do every day. It makes a huge difference because when you've woken up, it means that your body is ready to go and you feel lighter, you feel more energetic, and you feel ready to go. And I don't even drink coffee anymore because the lemon water does that. So I hope that helps. Try it. Try bringing it by your bedside every night, at least, or even try with a glass. Initially, only that worked. And then I worked up to a liter, and now I can't imagine living without it. So take care, and I'll see you tomorrow.